Hey guys, I am at Michael's and I'm getting ready to show you some of their new Christmas items that they received. So these will be pretty much the same as the stacks that I showed for the Hot Buys, but these are $5.99 a piece in the 6x6s. This was Christmas Blues. I'm just gonna do this real quick. This is kind of hard for me to do this. And this is Say Freeze. Okay, Holiday Homestead. We have Red and White Christmas. Okay, this was the, they haven't received it yet, Christmas Plaids. They have that in the Hot Buys. We have Christmas Embossed. And then we have Holiday Shimmer in the 6x6. And you can't see it, but it does have a really pretty sheen on it. Okay, then we have down here, these are dies. This is great because you can do shaker with that one. And then we have the stamps and dies. And the stamps. Okay. Alright, and continuing on, we have the card stacks. Guys, these are, I don't know how much, oh, they're $4.99. They didn't have any prices like down here. So we have that one, this one, this one, this one, and then we get into the craft. There's that. And that. And this one's really cute back here too. And then this. I have no idea, guys. We have these sticker pads sitting in the back here for $4.99. And honestly, I think you're better off going with the Hot Buy papers or stickers. You get a lot more for your money with that. Okay, and then we have, they have these little Christmas tags here. That. And then we have the ones shaped like tags in all the colors. We have glitters. Look how pretty that is. And I love that one. That one's actually really pretty. And then we have the blue. And getting down to the bottom here, we have the little stamps that they always have. Let me see here. This is $9.99. So you get all of those. I'm trying to see if they're any different. No, they're all the same. Then we have all of the wooden stamps here. A bunch of them to choose from. Look at them. Like all different sizes. This one's cute. That's really cute. Then we have here's twine, 37 yards for $4.99. And we have all those colors there. And because my back is giving me issues, I'm going to go ahead and show you these really quickly. So they have really pretty foiled paper. So this is gold and silver, red and green, and then solid green. We have a variety pack, and then the blues, and these are all $5.99. Okay, and we have some, ooh, this is pretty washi. That's really pretty. I like that set. I'm guessing they're going to be getting some more because this is very limited. Okay, and then I have some more stuff around the corner. I'll be right back. Alrighty. So let's go through this. It's really cute. Look at those. They're Puffy Stickers. I'm liking these too. They're puffy. They're really cute. And look at the Santa Clauses. There's traditional Santas. Oh, those are cute. Look at the dogs and the cats. Okay. And these are all $2.99. And I think this is a repeat of the first. Yes, the first row. And I'll be back with more. Ah, I found the other washi. Okay. So we have these. And then we have, look how pretty these are. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, and then those are the same. And then, of course, we have some beautiful die cuts here. They're actually stickers. And then more stickers down there. And that will do it for today, guys. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.